Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the Daniel fast. I hope that day 1 went well for you. I know it's hard to change up something that you're not used to doing something that you want to do. But keep in mind that Jesus gave up his seat on the highest throne in heaven to come down, to sacrifice himself, to pay for your sins. He ransomed himself as the lamb, bearing all the pain and endurance, shedding his blood, being nailed to a cross so that you can live free. So I think fasting for 21 days is not equivalent, but it's something that we should keep in mind as we do this fast. Today, I want to read from you from Daniel chapter 1, verse 17. To these 4 young men, God gave knowledge and understanding of all kinds of literature and learning, and Daniel could understand visions and dreams of all kinds. And just remember, God has the power, wisdom to resolve and equip you with whatever task or position that you take upon yourself. You will never fail if you are doing a God-giving task, because God will give you what you need and he will equip you what you need so that you can bring him glory. Stay true to your fast. And remember, prayer is always something good to do. If you feel temptation, just pray, give it a few minutes, and let go, let God. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Be blessed.